Welcome back. In this lesson, you'll learn how to create your very own weekly meal planner, the ultimate tool to keep your nutrition organized, balanced, and stress-free. A good meal planner is like a roadmap for your week. It saves time, reduces decision fatigue, and ensures you always have healthy, delicious meals ready to go. Let's start with step 1. Set your weekly goals. Before you start filling in meals, decide what you want to achieve this week. Maybe it's eating more vegetables, cooking at home 5 nights, or reducing food waste. Having a clear intention helps shape your plan. Step 2. Check your schedule. Look at your week realistically. Which days are busiest? Which nights do you have extra time to cook? Plan quick or pre-prepped meals on busy days and more elaborate recipes on lighter days. This ensures your plan fits your lifestyle, not the other way around. Step 3. Choose your meal framework. Most people do best with a consistent structure. For example, you can assign themes like Meatless Monday, Taco Tuesday, Stir Fry Wednesday, or Pasta Friday. Themes make planning faster and more fun while ensuring variety. Step 4. Plan around core ingredients. Instead of planning 7 completely different dinners, plan to reuse ingredients across meals. Roast a batch of chicken to use in salads, wraps, and rice bowls. Cook quinoa once and use it for lunches and sides. This approach saves time, money, and food waste. Step 5. Fill in your planner. Start with dinners, since they usually require the most effort. Then plan lunches using leftovers or easy prep options. Finally, add breakfasts and snacks. Remember to include balanced portions of protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats in each meal. Step 6. Create your grocery list directly from your plan. Go through each recipe and jot down what you need. Group items by category: produce, grains, dairy, pantry, frozen, to shop efficiently. Step 7. Plan prep sessions. Schedule 1 or 2 time blocks each week for meal prep. Sunday and midweek are popular choices. Use that time to chop veggies, cook proteins, or pre-portion snacks. A little prep up front makes weekday meals effortless. Step 8. Stay flexible. A meal plan is a guide, not a rule book. Swap meals if your schedule changes or you're craving something different. The goal is to make eating easier, not restrictive. Step 9. Track what works. After a few weeks, review your planner. Which meals did you love? Which ones took too long? Keep your favorites and rotate them regularly. You'll eventually build a personal recipe bank that fits your taste and time. Step 10. Make it visual and accessible. Use a whiteboard, notebook, or digital app to display your weekly plan. Keep it where you can see it daily, like your fridge or phone, to stay organized and motivated. Here's your quick recap. Set your goals, review your schedule, pick meal themes, plan around shared ingredients, fill in your meals, make a grocery list, schedule prep, stay flexible, and refine each week. The secret to success isn't perfection, it's consistency. Every week you plan builds confidence and saves you time and energy. Soon, meal planning will become second nature. In the next lesson, we'll take meal prep to the next level, mastering batch cooking techniques that make healthy eating effortless all week long. Let's get started.